Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In today's video, I'm going to go over the LifterLMS notification settings. So you can find the Lifter notification settings by heading to LifterLMS Settings. And on the far, or second from the right here, you can see Notifications. And we have a full list here. So you can see the notification settings, and what these are the basic notifications are those pop-ups in the corner that say congratulations on enrolling in a course, completing a lesson, etc. And then the email notifications are sent out to specific users when something happens, for example, a course track complete or enrollment. So if we click on one of these settings, we'll say basic. We'll open this in a new tab here. We can see what the badge says, and we're in the text editor now, but we can change to the visual editor and use these merge codes to change what information is pulled here. And as you can see on the bottom, there's this area subscribers, and currently it's checked on student. But if you wanted to disable this notification so students weren't getting those pop-ups, you can simply uncheck and save the settings. And so then students would not get a notification when they've been awarded an achievement. And you can go through and do that for all of these notifications if you don't want them to receive the basic notifications in the corner there. You can also change out the badge, I believe. So let's see. So the badge for achievements specifically, you'll want to change out in the engagements achievements. But let's look at one that has a badge here. For example, lesson complete. Let's check out that one. We can see here, this is the icon, or as I was referring to it, a badge. You can upload an image or switch out the image with, any kind of icon you'd like there. And for the achievements specifically, you'll want to go to Engagements, Achievements, and change that out there. But that's where you can edit the icons that display, and as well as the subscribers. So now let's talk about the email notifications. So let's say enrollment, for example. Let's go to the email for that. We can see here the subject of the email, the heading. We can use merge codes as well as the body here. And so the subscribers. Currently, no one is subscribed to this, but I can check author so that when a student is enrolled in the course author is sent an email to let them know. You can also have an additional recipient if, for example, you have an accountant or someone who needs to have information on course enrollments, or more likely the purchase receipt. You can send them an email about that, and you can type their email here as well. And you can also put in multiple email addresses if you separate them with commas, if you have maybe an accountant and a lawyer, for example. But yeah, so that's a basic intro to the LifterLMS notification settings. Feel free to drop any suggestions for videos you want to see me do in the future down in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.